Racers, Alec here at Performance Bodies. Christmas came early. If you haven't got one of our 2024 catalogs, take a look. In the first few pages, we have the new modified nose kit. 4-piece nose kit. You have your two sides, universal sides here, so they'll be the same size. And you'll trim them to fit whatever you want there. Then you have your lower centerpiece. It has a 4-inch bend on the bottom so that you can taper that however you want to fit up against that MD3 valance. And it has the indentation here at the top to take the upper center. So you have this as well. And you can see these are oversized just like the modified doors and quarters so that you can trim them to fit. Guys have things differently. People call, say, can you do this, do that? What we're going to do is give you an oversized sheet that'll have the ability to cut and fit however you want. So that's a white kit right there. We have black, blue, and red available here in stock, ready to go, guys. So these can ship out today if you need to get that car ready to go. But if you have any other questions, give us a call, 1-800-RACING-1. Check them out on our website, Performance Bodies. And also check out the catalog for the dimensions. They're going to be 47 inches wide. So for IMCA purposes, you're going to have to trim them down to 42. And other sanctioning bodies as well. So I did mention IMCA. They are IMCA approved, so that is good. But again, give us a call or check them out on our website. Thanks.